and that's the reason why I walk alone, because my boyfriend work today and I just can't drive because I have got drive license, but I haven't got car, and I think that's my drive license in Germany doesn't work. I think so, in my opinion. Beautiful things, beautiful view around. That's it. Pretty perfect. That's what I can say about this street. Very beautiful, very usual for Germany. Beautiful houses around. To be honest, it's so scary because I haven't got SIM card and I haven't got map, I haven't got internet, and I haven't got nothing. I just walk here. I hope I remember all my way, everything. I think, but in 20 minutes I forgot everything. Oh my god, it's crazy. I'm crazy, I know. And my boyfriend, before I start walking, I said, be careful, I take care, and I take care too, but what I can. But I don't want back home. This is the reason why we walk later. Beautiful church. We always forgot the word. We always drive here, but we never stop. And I always want to take pictures because it's very beautiful. It's look very beautiful. Good morning, guys. My morning started with the yoga. It was breakfast already, and you know what? It's crazy snow outside, so much. Oh my god, it's crazy. Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood, Jesus. Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Hi guys, hi again. Today we in Wiesbaden with this guy. I don't know, you know with it or not. And I will show you a little bit more this beautiful city, because in my opinion this city, this town, more better than last. But that's only in my opinion. Maybe it's cold. Agree? Now we drive and find the streets I want. It's very hard, but I know what I want. And I think my boyfriend knows too, just a little bit.
It's just not existing. But we search this what is not existing.
Oh my god, oh so beautiful. what can I say? We here, but it's so dark and so much snow today. Trash, but no tourists, only me. Now we alone here, and my boyfriend said usually here so much tourists, of course, so much because it's very beautiful town or city.
Wine
More-
region.
Wine region.
People coming here for drinking wine. That's why they have so many restaurants here.
We understand this very romantical place, but everything closed already. And now we just want to come back. Coming soon, a little bit more photos, and back. We here alone, all people die, and only we together live here. It's crazy situation. Very cold, very cold, really, because of snow. And I'm so wet.